So welcome back, friends. Uh, very great morning to everyone. So last class we have seen that differences of Selenium and Playwright we have seen that, and also we have seen that architecture architecture of that Playwright also we have seen that, right? So today we are going to be discuss about so how to install how to install that Node.js and VV this VS Code, all these things, how to install in your systems. I'm going to be demonstrate today. Okay, fine. So in various ways we can install this VS Code, all those things, Node.js. As I told you last class, so to work with a to work with Playwright, to work with JavaScript, so Node.js is a mandate. So to work with your Selenium, how Java is mandated through JRE, how all the programs are getting executed. To work with JavaScript or TypeScript or to Playwright, Node.js is a server. First, that needs to be installed. Node.js. Okay. Node.js must first we have to install it. Next, what is that? Visual Code. Visual Studio Code. These two must have in your system. So first of all, first install Node.js. Next, we will install VS Code. It's a IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So we can install this in a various ways. We can do that. We can install in three ways. Okay. First of all, let me download this Node.js. Let's search with Node.js download, or we can see official website as node.js. We can go with directly go with Node.js download. There, you click on this one, download node.js, and there we can see window installer.msi is there. For window, we can click on this option. Okay. So if you're working with Mac means you just search with here we can see the option is there. So our get key is right here. We can see that selecting this Mac, you can see that downloading for Mac. If it is a window means go with the window. Here we can select the option which platform is going to be support. Okay. So mine is window. I'm selected this and I'm clicking on this Windows installer.msi. Okay. This we have to do this. Okay. First is what? Node.js. Yes, we have to download it. Next, what we have to do that? VS Code. Visual Studio ID must be downloaded. So same, open one more tab. Now, search with the VS Code download. Search with the VS Code download. There it is a Visual Studio Code. Just click on this download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux, and Windows. Click on it. And here also, irrespective of the platform, we can download the VS Code. Here, window. This is for Linux. This is for Mac. So irrespective of your platform using, that needs to be select to download. Okay. So mine is window. I'm clicking this window. 10, 11 something is there. I'm clicking on this. If I click on it, it starts downloading. So it start downloading this VS Code. And also Node.js, if you want, you can click on the window installer.msi. So these two are getting downloading. Node.js and VS Code. As I told in the last class, so client server is required, right? So here we know that. What is that? Yeah. One second. As I saw in the last class. So here, if you want to interact any of these browsers, so we have to write a code using any of these language bindings. Where we are writing this language binding, where we are writing using these languages in a VS Code editor. by using any of these language binding, we are going to be write the test in a client editor, which is a VS Code editor. We are writing using these languages. We are writing the code, and this code is going to be communicate to the server, which is the node. How it is communicating client with server? With through WebSocket protocol. Through WebSocket protocol. Then what the script we have written using any of these language but in the client end is going to be communicate to any of these browsers. Okay, na? So that's why to write these programs, VS Code editor we have downloaded VS Code. Here we are writing the code here using any of this language binding, communicating through WebSocket to the server and launches this browser. Okay, yeah, already we have downloaded. Let's go to the download. Let's go to the downloads. So here we can see VS Code and Node.js to have in my system. Friends, I already have installed in my system. Let me uninstall both and I will show you freshly for you, friends. Okay, na? So I'll show you. So friends, some of the softwares, even if you uninstall, some files may not remove, friends. You have to physically have to remove also. Okay, if some cases,
Okay.
I'll tell you where to remove also. First, you go to the control panel, which I already have installed, friends. I'm showing you uninstalling and I'll show freshly install. Here, yes, VS Code and Node.js. These two I am uninstalling, friends. These two I am installing. Okay, na? Let me uninstall it. Double click Node.js and Node.js where it is getting installed means directly in a C drive, program files. Here Node.js will be there directly, friends. Here it is, right? Okay. Now I am uninstalling Node.js. So once I uninstall, this will not be there here. See here, as of now, Node.js is there. If I uninstall, it will be not there. Okay, let me uninstall it. What happened? Please wait until current program is finished. Okay, fine. Yeah. Oh, it is doing. It is doing. It is in progress. Ah, yes. It's almost done. Yeah. It was done. Now we don't see any Node.js here. Okay. We don't see any Node.js here. Node.js is not there. And whereas we have to uninstall that Microsoft Visual Studio also, this will be there in where it is there, where it is presented. Hmm. So see program data, and Microsoft. Microsoft, some errors. I want to show you the location where it stores once again. Yeah, Visual Studio. Not this, I think, not this. Some errors. Okay. See users, username. Yeah, .vs code. Getting .vs code. Here we can see all these are there, right? Observe here. See where it is the VS code is presented. C under C users. Everyone have a users icon, right? Users. Under users with respect to username. My username is Dell. Inside this Dell, we can see .vs code is there, right? Okay, .vs code. Inside this files, this everything get removed now. See here. Okay, I'm coming back here. So let's try to uninstall it. Microsoft Visual Studio. So under user, it was installed. See in bracket user. Okay, yeah. Yes, I'm uninstalling this. So directly VS Code will be there in a C program files. Node.js is there. And whereas VS Code is presented in this location. So here it is uninstall the VS Code as well. This will it. Let's see that. See friends, even it is not deleted. So as I told you, files are not removed properly means just the supported files for VS Code. Let's delete it manually. Okay, it is not happening after uninstalling. See, some files will be exist, friends. So that's related files. If it is exist means better to remove manually like this. Okay, after uninstalling this. Okay, fine. So fine. Now we are clear with this. Now let's try to install. Let's try to install this Node.js and VS Code in our systems. Okay. So let's go down. First, we have to install Node.js. Then top of, we are going to be install the VS Code. Let's try to double click on Node.js, which we have downloaded. Now it is getting installed. Yeah. Now you just click on next button. Check the accept license agreement. Next button. And where it is going to be installed. Already we have uninstalled from this location, right? C program files Node.js. Now it is getting installed the same location. See here, I'm going to the C drive program files where I don't see Node.js as of now, right? So once I click on next, I click on next once again, and you can check automatically install the necessary tools. Any necessary tools automatically is going to be installed if it is anything else. Okay, and click on next. Everything is next. Okay, just we check that checkbox, install as the necessary things. Okay, and click on install. 3 next. Then we have to click on the next button, install. So Node.js is going to be installed solely. Yes. Yeah, still it was in the progress, installing that Node.js. So friends, everyone able to follow, right? The
Yes,
navigation?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Still it was, okay, sorry, it was something is blocking, yeah. Now it is going to be installed now. Yeah, now we can see Node.js today, 2nd February 2026, 7:23 a.m. Yes. Now Node.js is at to install completion. Yeah, it was completed. Yes, finished. Yeah, Node.js. Yeah. Okay, fine. Next, press enter key. Press any key. Okay. Press any to continue. Just wait. Press any to continue. Yeah. Once installation is completed, the backup folder is no longer needed. Okay, great. Yeah, he's getting enter to exit. Yeah. Yeah. Now Node.js got installed. Okay. Yeah. So now next, what we do, we will be installing that VS Code. As you know, VS Code is getting installed. Which is the location? C drive, users, under your username. My username is Dell. In respect to your system, your username, we have to go. And there .vs code will come, friends. I already removed when I installed. Some files is not, dot files will not get uninstalled. So after uninstallation done, you physically go on, I said to delete that .vs code, right? That got removed now. Now let's try to install VS Code. It's fall under this location now, okay? Let's go to this, is it the download section? Yes. Here already we downloaded that VS Code. Let's try to click on it to get installed. Click on that. I accept that agreement, license agreement, click on next button. So here, now it's okay. See here. 1 second. Let me show you that. C drive uses Dell app data. Is that app data and local and programs. Here it's going to be false, friends. Here Microsoft VS Code comes here, and .vs Code also come there in that user section also. Okay, now fine. In these two locations will be coming while installing that. Okay. So now let's try to install. It is installing where C drive users, our username, app data, local, programs. There Microsoft VS Code, this folder is coming under this. The VS Code is going to be fall under there, and .vs Code also file will come in that users data also. Okay, fine. Let's click on next button. Yes, click on next. So if you want shortcut in the desktop, yes, check this and click on the next button. Install. C drive users username. In this username, we can see that .vs Code is there, and also the installation of VS Code is coming under there. The app data, local, and programs. In that only the VS Code is going to get installed. The location, okay, and support files will be there in the username .vs Code will come folder, okay. Yeah. So click on finish. Yeah. Now you can see that here Microsoft Visual Code, right? Just now we installed, right? February 2nd, 2026, 7:27. And let's go back to this user. Here .vs Code will come once we open that. Some support files will be coming here. Okay, na? And we're running all those things will come here. .vs codes. VS Code. As of now, nothing is there. Okay, fine. So fine, now we have done with the installation of Node.js and VS Code. Now let's try to open that VS Code, okay, which is in the desktop where it is. Yeah, shortcut is there. Let's open this VS Code. One second. For you case, it will be coming like this, friends. So with empty, nothing will be there. Welcome screen will be coming for you case. Here we can see by default, open editors and outline and timelines and things sections are there. So we can expand. The open editor is nothing but what is the current editor got open? Welcome editor. This is what showing that. Here we can see we can create a new files. We can create we can open the files. We can open the folders. We can clone the Git repositories. If the code is available in the remote repositories, we can clone from there. We can connect to it and generate new workspaces, like kind of things. We can through this welcome scheme also, we can operate all those things. Okay, if you don't want to create here, just close it. So in Outline, nothing will be there as of now. In Timeline, nothing will be there. Okay. So if we want right click on this, now we can see that see no folder open editors. See these three are checked. That's the reason we can see these options by default. If you don't want them, you can uncheck them also. Right click there, outline like this. Okay. Explore. So yeah. So now what I'll do. So yes, yeah, I will be showing you how to install that. How to work with the JavaScripting, how to work with Playwright, all those things I'll be showing friends now. Okay, fine. Once you install that Node.js and VS Code, this is how the VS Code is going to be open, friends. Here we can see top, we can see some menus are there, file menu. Okay, here also we can create new files. We can open the folders. We can open the workspaces. We can make the duplicate workspaces. We can save them. We can share them like this. New window, new file like this. We can have it like this here also. Okay, fine.
So, Ravi,
Yes.
can we connect database from here
Yes.
if we wanted to get some data from database?
Yes.
So,
CSV
okay,
files. We will be taking the data from the CSV files and JSON files.
JSON files. Okay.
Yes,
Mhm.
JSON files. Okay.
Okay.
We'll see them. Okay, fine. So left side we can see Explorer window is the Explorer window and search. This is what source control management. So if there is a code in the GitHub server, if you want to push that your local repository code into the remote repository, or remote repository code if you want to pull into your local system, this is the source control is there. Is the source control is there. And here it is that run and debug. If you want run in a normal run or debug mode, this is the section here. And whereas extensions is there, where we are going to install any of that extensions, we come to this section and we are going to be install whatever is required. Okay, now first of all, once we install Node.js, next we install that VS Code. The first thing we have to install is first you have to see, you can see some sections are there. Install section is there, and popular is there, recommended is there, MCP server is there. So under the sections and under the extensions, we can see 4 sections are there. Installed, which is already installed. Nothing is installed. Okay. We haven't installed JavaScript, and we haven't installed any Playwright also. If we have installed anything, will come under install section. I never installed MCP server also. Nothing is showing in the install section. We have to install them. And just popular, what are the popular things is coming under here? Any recommended, what are the recommended to install is showing in this. Okay, na? And next is what MCP related things needs to be installed will be under this section MCP servers. Okay, so now let's try to install. Yes, I'm going to pop here. I'm going. So here anything we can search here like this. Here in the search, in the extension search, you search with the JavaScript. Just search with the JavaScript. So where we can see that JavaScript ES6 something is right, snippets, code snippets is there. You just click on the JavaScript ES6 code snippets. There you click on install. Okay, code snippets is going to be installed. So once disable comes means it get installed. Now we can see here in the extensions. Okay, let me close this. Yeah, let's close. Yeah, here we can see. Here we can see in install section. There we can see JavaScript ES6 code snippets got installed under install section. As of now, only one thing we have installed. Okay, na? Fine. Like this, anything you would like to install, we can install by just clicking on extensions. There you search what you want. You can search accordingly. It's going to display. Then we can install it. So recommended things is showing here, and popular things are showing here, friends. Popular everything is there in the popular section. Okay, na? Fine. So now we have to install that Playwright also. If we want to install Playwright, we can install Playwright in 3 ways. We can install Playwright in 3 ways. First way is like what is that? Using Playwright extension. Playwright extension. And second is what? Using command npm init Playwright at rate of latest. Any of these ways we can install that Playwright in your VS Code. So using extension in the VS Code, we can do that, or in VS Code through command line using the npm init Playwright at rate of latest. Any of these things we can use and we can install that Playwright. So before installing that Playwright, let me Okay, let me show you. Okay, fine. Okay, let me install that two ways. Okay, fine. So one is through extension. So how we do that in a VS Code? Just click on the extension already open. In this, you just search with the Playwright. Just search with Playwright. Here we can see that Playwright test for VS Code version 1.1.17 is there. Just click on it. Just you click on install. That's it. So whatever extensions you would like, you just come to the extensions. See, once you install Playwright, now we can see some testing lab section has come. Earlier, we can see only these sections. Yes or no? Earlier, we seen the Explorer, we seen the search, we seen that source controller, we seen the run and debug, we see the extensions. Once we install Playwright, test for VS Code, then only I can see that test lab section. Okay. Once we write the programs in Playwright, if you want to run your code from your test execution labs only, we're going to be run your test cases, what are you created. Okay, fine. Now it got created now. Okay. Now see now in this, now we can see in the install section what we have installed so far. Yeah, we can see that JavaScript ES6 code snippet we have installed. And if you want work with the Playwright, yes, Playwright test for VS Code we search and we have installed. These two we have installed so far. So we can see uninstall disable is there. Even for this also uninstall disable is there. Okay, because we have installed right currently. Yeah. So okay, fine. Okay, fine. So we have installed this thing. Whatever we want, we can come to the extensions, we can search, we can have installed it. Suppose if we want MCP servers. So here we can see MCP servers are there. So we can search and we can install that MCP server from here. Okay, we'll do later on all those things. Okay, fine. Okay, next. Okay, after adding these extensions, okay, through extension, we can install the Playwright. I'm saying that. Yes. So next, what I do, I will create a folder structure here. Even how many of you worked in Selenium, I don't know. So we created the workspace in Selenium. Under the workspace, we create a projects. Under the projects, we create a packages. Under the packages, we do create a classes and interfaces in respect to the Selenium, right? In Eclipse, we create the structure. Similar way, in working with VS Code also, we will be creating the workspaces. Under the workspaces, we are going to be create the folders. Under the folders are nothing but the projects. Folders are nothing but is the projects. Under the folders, we are going to be create the files, JavaScript files. JavaScript spec files we are going to be create. Okay. Now let's go to the Explorer. If we want to create any workspaces, any folder structure, any files you'd like to create, you need to go to the Explorer section. If you want to install any of these any of these options, we come to the this sections, this extensions option. There we go, and we will be installing whatever we want. If we want to communicate the code, collaborate the code from GitHub to local to GitHub, the source control is a section here. So run and debug section is here like this. This is to search anything. Anything you would like to search is search section. Explorer is here like this. Yeah. In this Explorer, go to the Explorer window. There. So now go to the file menu. Go to the file menu. There we can see that. There we can see that new text file is there. New files, new window, something is there, right? Open file, open folder, open workspace from file, something is right like this. Add a folder to workspace, something like this is there. Okay, na? Yeah. Now I'll show you first creating a workspace with multiple folders, most common. So before creating folder, we would like to prefer to create the workspace. Without creating workspace also directly we can create folders. Later also, what are the folders that we created, we can move it to the workspace also. Okay, na? First I will show you how to create a workspace with multiple folders, most common. Okay, what I do first, open that file menu and go to the open folder. There is a open folder is there. Okay, So let me go to the D drive, some location I'm going with. So in this D drive, I'm going to be, okay, I'm going to be create one folder. 1 second. Otherwise, manually also we can create. Okay, let's create manual. Otherwise, go to the D drive. Some book, some place I'm creating a new folder. Uh, Playwright WD something I'm giving like this. Okay, fine. So I'm going to the file menu, open folder in a D drive, So Playwright WD. Here what I'm doing that here I'll be creating one folder. Okay, creating one folder here. Okay, now here we can create, there also we can create folder. I'm creating like a project one something folder I created, and I'm selecting this. Click on select a folder. Now we can see that one folder got created, which is a project, Nothing is there, just it's a folder. Like this, I can create n number of folders and I can open in this VS Code, friends. Okay, now let's try to create one more time. How do you create? Go to the file menu, open folder. Okay, open folder. And here we create a one more folder and we will be selecting to open there. See, I click on this new folder project to something like this and select this project to get open here in this VS Code. See, friends, only in this instance of this VS Code, only one folder only can be opened at once. One folder only can open at once. Okay, now if you want to open multiple folders means it should be come under the workspace. Getting what I'm saying that? Otherwise, in one more instance of the VS Code, we can open the folder. If you would like to do that thing, do one thing. So new window. If you open new window, see one more instance of the VS Code is getting open. One more instance of VS Code is getting open. Here you can open a folder. There you can open the folder. No, sorry. In D drive, Playwright. Playwright WD. Here I can open it. Getting everyone? Here. Where is that? Project is coming. 1 second. File, open folder. And let's go to this D drive. Playwright WD project one. So project is coming here and here project is there. Got it right? Here we can see project 2. There we can see project 1. Two instances of this VS Code, we can see project 1, project 2. Is everyone getting or not? Clear, everyone? Yeah. So suppose I would like to create one more folder in this instance. So already we have in this project 1 is there. I want to have one more folder. I want to have one more folder. So is it possible? See, go to the again open folder. Let's create one more folder. Project 3 something. I'm trying to select this select folder. So what happens? Project 1 is getting override with the project 3. At our own cost, one folder only get created under the one instance of the VS Code. Is everyone getting or not? If you want one more folder to create means you take one more instance of the VS Code. How you take one more instance? Go to the file menu, new window. Yes or no? What we do? Go to file, new window. In new window, we can that's new instance of VS Code comes there. We can create a folder in that new instance. Getting everyone? Okay. Okay. I want every folders to come under the same this VS Code editor means what to do. So we must have a workspace. Okay. How would you do that? So friends, okay, I am closing this instance. Okay, project 3 instance I'm closing, and the project instance also. Okay, it was there, right? Yeah, fine. Only one instance as of now I'm having, friends. Yeah. In this project 2 is there. Everyone knows that only project 2 is there. So I want to have project 1, project 3 also in the same instance only I want to make it. So what I can do, go to the file menu, file menu. There we can see the add folder to workspace is there. Getting? Earlier we created open folder, open folder. At once in an instance of the VS Code, only one folder can be have it. Multiple folders if you want to get means it was overriding to the previous folder. If you want to separately means yes, in this new window open, there we can have the open the folder separately in each instance, each folder in each instance. But I want all the folders in one instance of the VS Code. Then what we have to do? Yes, add the folder to workspace. Take an option called add folder to workspace. Workspace is a common space where we can add all the folders. That's why add folder to workspace. Just click on it. Now already we have the project 2. Now I want project 1 to have in the same instance of VS Code. Just select the project 1, click on add. So friends, what happened? Project 2 is not visible, but we can see extra untitled workspace is coming as a header. If we expand it, there we can see project 2, project 1 is coming. Getting everyone? Is everyone clear? Directly creating multiple folders, it is going to be override only one folder, it is maintaining that. If you want multiple folders in the same instance of VS Code means, so we must have a workspace. Under workspace, we can have multiple folders can maintain here. So I want to have project 3 also under this workspace. Then what I will do, what I have to do now, tell me. What I have to do? Which option can I take? Open folder, add folder to workspace. Come on.
Add folder to workspace.
Yes, add folder to workspace. Just click on it. There you select that project 3, add. See now. So in this workspace, I have project 1, project 2, project 3, all in the same instance only, not multiple instance. Earlier, when I'm opening folder, at one instance, only one folder only getting open. If any second folder is getting open, it is overriding with the old one through new one. Otherwise, we have to open new instance of VS Code. There we can have the new instance of the project folder there. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, under workspace, we have 3 projects. Okay. Let me create one more folder, open folder. Let me create one new folder. Let me create one new folder, project for something like this. This project, this is folder I'm going to be open here. What happens? What happens? Will it be fall under this workspace or new project 4 is going to be override with this all those things?
New instance.
New project will be override.
Okay, this workspace projects are going to be override with this project 4. Or this project 4 is coming under this workspace. Any guessing?
Will come under this workspace.
Will come under this. Okay, let's see that. Let's see that. I'm selecting project 4 and select. What is saying that, friends? Do you want to save your workspace configuration as a file? Is saying that. Asking that whether you save or not, it is going to be remove that. So suppose, okay, I'm okay. I'm saying that save. I'm saying that save. It is asking, what is asking, friends?
Project.
It is asking to save this this one. Okay. Okay. I'll do one thing without saving. I'll do something. Okay. Oh, file, open folder. I'm taking project 4, select folder, and we don't save it. What happens, friends? What happened?
Project.
That
New instance.
workspace project got removed and project 4 has come. Okay, na? So friends, what you understood? First of all, if you have workspace, you have to save the workspace. Otherwise, it will be removed that. Okay. See, if you save the workspace, I'll tell you one thing. To save the workspace here, one extension will be coming to save the workspaces. .code-workspace is the extension for that. Even, you know, for saving the Java programs, you have a dot. What is that Java program say? What is that we have, friends? .java, right? For Python, .py. For JavaScript codes, we'll have a .js. For TypeScript code extension, .ts. Like that. To save the workspace, we have extension .code-workspace. To save the extension, use some name of the workspace. The extension is .code-workspace is that extension. Okay. Okay. Let's try to do one more time. Friends, okay. I'll do one thing. File, I want to make this project for into workspace. What I do, file, add folder to workspace. So take some projects, add. Now we can see untitled workspace there. We can see project 3, project 4 is there. Now I would like to save this workspace. How would I save this workspace? There we can see that file, save workspace as is there. Save workspace as is there. Just click on save workspace as. Now it is asking where you want to save it. So we have project 3, project 4. We want to save it here, or top of that you want to save it. Top of that we have to come. So I'm coming to the Playwright WD. This is the root folder. Under this only all projects are there. So here I would like to save it. So let's give some name. Let's give some name. So I'm giving like a ABC. See here we can see save type is what is taking that? Code workspace. Yes or no? Code workspace. So just save it. Just save it. So under this Playwright WD, I'm saving as a workspace name as ABC. Code workspace is the extension. Save it. See friends, workspace taking ABC workspace has come or not? Yes. Now let's now see in this folder structure. Now we can see ABC is coming or not. These are the project folders. These are the workspace name. In this workspace, how many folders are there, friends? Project 3, project 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's have one more folder come under this workspace. How I do? Should I go with
File.
open folder? Should I go with add folder to workspace?
Folder to workspace.
Yes, add folder to workspace. Any confusion, friends? Don't worry. I'll show once again. Add folder to workspace. Now what you want? I want project 2. So can I have multiple projects can I have into this workspace? Yes, I can select and I can click on add. Happened, right? Can we change the order? Yes, we can change it. So as you wish. So I want the 3 has to come down. Yes, yes, move. I want to come this project 4 down to the 3. Yes, come, move like this. You can change the order also like this. Okay, na? Workspace, under workspace, we have a project folders like this. Folder is nothing but kind of projects. Okay. So what if I open folder means what happens? What happens?
So these,
So suppose
these 4 will be override.
Okay. Let me have a project 5
5.
something I'm keeping here. I'm opening this project 5. Hey, it's override. Okay, it open, it close and open the project 5. So friends, I want to open my existing workspace projects. How I can open?
You already
Okay.
saved, right?
Yes, already saved.
File.
So what I do? Open workspace from file. Earlier, add folder to workspace and save the workspace we did. Yes or no? Add folder to workspace means what? Added the workspace, created the workspace, added the folders into it. And also we have saved this workspace also. Yes or no? After saving the workspace, what happens? We got a file called abc. What is the extension?
Code.
What is the extension? Code workspace source file. This is what the extension is. Yes or no? Now this workspace has to open in this VS Code. How would I open? File, open workspace from file. The workspace is saved as a file. Yes or no? What is the file type? Code workspace. This is ABC is the name. This I want to open it. So go to the file, open workspace from file. What is the file name, friends? ABC. Yes or no? ABC is the workspace name. Code workspace. Click on open. See, friends. See, ABC workspace, underneath all projects are there. Project folders. Is everyone clear?
Yes.
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 Can I show you one more time? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do one more time. Okay. So suppose you want to delete any of these folders from this workspace. So what is that option? So right click, anything is there, delete. Remove folders from workspace. So friends, if you want to remove any of these folders from this workspace, you just right click on this folder or project name. There we can see remove folder from workspace. Only it removes from the workspace, friends, not in the physical location. In the physical location, what we see, project 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. In these projects, 4 projects are there under this workspace. Suppose I am deleting the project 4. Right click on this, remove folder from workspace. Okay, really remove folder from workspace. So anything else is there to delete a file? Any option is there? Any close the folder is there? No, right? No, right? Yeah. So let's delete from here. Right click on this, remove folder from workspace. So friends, okay, what happens? A project 4 got removed from the workspace. So is it physically existed? Yes, it was there. Only it was removed from the under the workspace. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like this, we can delete whatever you want. You can again you want to remove that from workspace. Yes, click on it. And you can see now project 1, project 2 only there in the workspace. Okay, now. Okay. Now, what I do, I will delete this workspace. I want to remove this workspace. Okay, I shown you how to remove that folders or projects from this in this one. Now I want to remove that workspace. Is it possible to remove workspace? Right click on it. No, it's not there, right? No options is there. Only for project folders. One second. Anyone is in meeting? Waiting. All right. Admit. Just wait, friends. Someone is waiting. Okay. So yeah. So if you want to remove this workspace, any right click option is there? No. So we'll do one thing. Select this and go to the file menu. There we can see down here. Close workspace is there. Getting or not? Close workspace. Close editor. Close window. 3 options are there. Close editor means, so friends, as of now, one editor is open. What is that? Welcome editor. Getting or not? Welcome editor. So if we go to that, go to the file menu, if we come down, close editor, if I do means what happens? The editor got closed. Yes or no? Observe.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, editor got closed. Now again, I am going to the file menu. There, if I go to that close workspace means yes, it closes that workspace. So workspace got closed. Nothing is there here. Okay, now next file menu, just go down, just close that um, editor. See, welcome editor. I want close means yes, click on close editor. If I want to close this window means what? This VS Code editor is getting closed. This VS Code instance editor is getting closed. So close window. Closed or not? Is everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me open VS Code once again. I'll explain one more time. Just please listen, everyone. Okay. Yeah. Now in Explorer window, as of now, nothing is there. First, what we can do, we can create a folders. That folders we can move to the workspaces. That one thing. Okay, now. So what I do, already I have workspace created. Under workspace, we have a 4 projects are there. That workspace projects I want to open here. Shall I open that now? Yes, we can see already workspace is saved with ABC. This workspace I can open here. Existing workspace, whatever I have saved, that I can open here. How I can? File. What we can do? Open
Open.
workspace from file.
From
Yes or
file.
no? File.
Yes.
Open workspace from file. Click on it. There. In that,
A
just
drive.
select this ABC workspace name. Here, now. Here. See ABC workspace. Under this, only 2 projects are there because I removed project 3, project 4, right? Yes or no?
Mm.
Then 2 projects will be there. Okay. Okay, what is that there in the file? Okay, we have saved this ABC code workspace is the extension. What is there inside the file? Can we see that file? You have a doubt. Okay, let's see that. Let's right click on it file and open it in a notepad. Yes, it has a structure. See friends, folders. How many folders we have, friends? 2 folders, project 1, project 2. These 2 are there. Suppose if I add any more projects to the workspace, that also comes in this brackets. One more is coming here as a project 3. Shall we add one more time? Then we can see project 3 information also will come after this project 2. Okay, let me close this. let me add one folder into this workspace. How can I add the folder into workspace? Come on, file menu.
File, add folder to workspace.
Yes, add folder to workspace. We want to add a folder to the workspace, existing workspace. Okay. Yes, select this. And now add the project 3 into it. Add project 3 into it. Yes, 1, 2, 3 is there, right? Okay, now we have a 3 projects added into this workspace ABC. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's right click on ABC, open with, oh, sorry. I click open with Notepad. Yes, we can see project 3 coming, right? Path. Yes, like that. If I remove this project 3, if I remove project, how I remove the project 3? How I can remove this?
Click remove folder.
Right click, remove folder from
Remove
workspace.
folder.
If only folder you want to remove means just right click on a folder name and click on the remove folder from workspace. If you would like to remove that workspace means what to do? Go to the file menu. There we can select the button close workspace. Yes, if you want to close this VS Code editor instance means what? Close window.
Close window.
If any of the editor gets open, close editor, we have to select that. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
One second. Someone is trying to join. Let me admit them. Yeah. Yeah, fine. So I'll show you one more time, friends. All these things. Let me close this. Okay. Close this workspace. Yeah.
Ravi,
Yes.
can you open that notepad, ABC notepad, workspace notepad?
Oh, ABC notepad. Okay. Let me open it. Yeah. Right click on it. Open with a notepad. Is a default, by default comes all these things. We are not
So,
adding anything.
the project 1 and project 2 is showing us name and path, but project 3, why name is not showing here?
So it takes by default, sir. This is not myself. I'm giving all those things. It is internally taking all those things. Okay.
Yeah.
The name is coming or not, just we have to observe. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So okay, fine. Now let's show you one more time, friends. We can have. Let me create one more workspace and projects. Okay, fine. So now what we can do earlier, what we did, add projects to workspace. I'm saying that. So creating a dummy workspace, under that we are adding the folders. That's what we have seen that. Can we have save workspace as? What happens? Now it is asking to have a workspace name. Okay, like that we can do that. So okay, now let's do that. File. Add folders to workspace. This is what we seen earlier, right? Add folders to workspace. Just click on it and go to your structure and select project, add. So what happens? Individual, it is creating that workspace. Under workspace, project has come. Like this, I can add more projects under this workspace now. Again, go to the file menu, add folder to the workspace. Now I can select one or more than one also, right? I'm 2, 3 projects also, I'm storing that. She's coming, right? Now, the workspace, what I created untitled, under these 3 projects folders has come here. So we haven't saved it. Only earlier we saved only one workspace as ABC. There we have project 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 only it is there, right? One second. Someone is trying to join, is not able to do that. Yeah. Admit all. Yeah. Fine. So let me add all the projects. Okay, file to show difference. Add folder to workspace. Let me add 4, 5 project also. Add it. Yes. Now I want to save this workspace. How I save? File menu. Save workspace as. Let's go to the Playwright WD. In this, I am giving that X, Y, Z. What is the extension of this workspace will be code workspace, right? Just click on save. Yeah, XYZ workspace. Under it, we can see that projects folders. See, now we can see here XYZ has come here. Let's try to open this. Right click, open with the notepad where we can see that. Yeah, all 5 projects got added in this workspace. Getting or not? If I delete any of these project from this workspace, in this also, it's going to be delete one of the project like that. Okay, now? If you want to remove any project, what I can do, friends? Come on. How I can remove that?
Right click. Remove
Right click on any of these
Right-click.
things and remove that folder from workspace. Like this we can do. And if you want to remove this workspace means what? These are removing these projects, removing this workspace only removing from here, friends. Okay, fine. Now here just I want to delete this workspace from this instance means what to do? Go to select this workspace and
Close.
have a new file and it's here close workspace. If you want to open any workspace, how we can open? File menu, open workspace from file. And there go to your location and so I want to open 2 workspace. Can I open 2 workspace at once in this instance? Shall we try once? We have 2 workspace, right? Shall I open 2 workspace in this same instance? Let's try to open. I'm selecting these 2 workspaces, files and open. Did it open? Only one taken. Yes or no? One instance ABC has taken, one instance XYZ workspace has taken. Observe here. In ABC we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In XYZ we have 1, 2, 3, 4 we having. In ABC we have 1, 2, 3 projects in ABC. In XYZ we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? If you try to open multiple workspaces at once, yes, it is opening, not in the same instance. Each workspace has one instance is getting open. Like how earlier, when we're trying to open the multiple folders in one instance, it is not allowing overriding. Separate instance, how we open the folder. Similar way, multiple workspace also will be get open in multiple instance, multiple windows. Yes or no?
Yes.
See now I'm closing one instance XYZ workspace. Only one editor, one instance of VS Code is there. Here we have a ABC also. I'm removing even this for this one also. I'm removing that. Okay, one instance only as of now I open. In this I want to open two workspaces. I would like to open only one instance is there. Here one instance only is there. VS Code. I'm trying to open 2 workspaces. How to open? File. Open workspace from file. Here I am trying to select 2 workspaces at once and clicking on open. Which means in one instance of VS Code, only one workspace we can have. In that workspace, we can have multiple projects like that. So here, in one instance, XYZ workspace, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 projects. Another instance open, which is ABC workspace having 1, 2, 3 projects. Is everyone clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ravi, one question. Before closing
Yes.
Workspace, it asking me to save the folders or not.
Yes, auto see here. Here I've given auto save is there. Auto save. Otherwise, we can click on save or save as like this.
Yeah.
You know, even in Eclipse also we have auto save option is there. Similar way, here you can see auto save checkbox I made. Automatically it saves without I'm manually coming and saving this folder or all the files or anything what it is. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
If I click on if I uncheck auto save means physically we have to come and save that the folders and files whatever we are getting that. I made auto save. Okay, na?
Yes. Okay.
So now, okay, under workspace, we have a folder or whatever we call as the projects. Under this, what we're going to be create files. We are going to be create the files. Okay, na? So how we create a files? So select in which folder you would like to create a file. Select that folder. Go to file menu. New file is there. New file. New file. This one you can click or we can see that here we can see new file and new folder is there. As no, new file, new folder is there. So new file means what? It's going to be create new file under this project one folder. If I click on new folder means what? It is going to be create one more subfolder under the project one. Getting what I'm saying that? Okay, see, I'm clicking on new file. So I'm giving like a file one. I must give the extension. So friends, we are learning that Playwright with the JavaScript and TypeScript. The extension of saving that JavaScript and TypeScript is what? JavaScript is .js, TypeScript will be .ts. Okay, let's save with the .js. See, now we can see, before we can see JS is coming or not. See, JavaScript file got generated. Yes, like this, I can have multiple files I can create under this folder or a project, like what it is. Okay. So if you want to get one more file, what we do? Select this in which project folder you would like to create a file. There you select it and click on a new file. Now I am creating file2.ts, which is nothing but TypeScript.
Yes.
If you would like to
Okay.
create TypeScript files, the extension is .ts. Now we can see prefix, we can see ts has come. Yes or no? JavaScript as a JS, TypeScript as ts, like that. So first you select in where you want to create. Suppose I want to create on the project 2. Select this and click on new file. Let's give like a file3.js, something like this. Suppose if I place my cursor on the workspace, shall I create a files now? The option is not coming. Yes or no? Yes. Suppose if I click on the workspace, go into file menu, new file. What happens? What happened? It create under file2, file4. Okay, create. This saying create. Where you want? It is asking here. Where you want the project to? Okay, create. We have to select there. Okay, na? It is asking where you want. I said like project 2. It has come here. Let me create one more. Now I am in the workspace. I highlighted workspace. See, I highlighted in the workspace. Okay. I highlighted workspace. Now go to file, new file. So I'm giving like a test5.ts. I'm creating where I would like to create. I want to go to that in project 3. Select there. Yes. In project 3, it went there. Yes or no? Is everyone getting, friends, what I'm doing that? Just right click, close all the sections will get closed. So suppose I'm opening all these files. Okay, now. So now I can do one thing, file, and I can go here, close editor. One by one is getting closed. File, close editor, like this. If I want to close all the editors at once, just select right click and close all. Where is that? Close all. Where is that? Close all. All editors is getting closed. Is everyone clear how to create workspaces? How to add the folders or projects? And under this, how to add the files? Is everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
So here we would like to understand what is the workspace and a folder or a project. These are projects or folders, we can call it. What is the difference? Main workspace versus project. Okay, let me give the brief. Project is a logical concept. Your actual applications or code bases will be stored. Yes or no? All code bases are storing under this logical name as a project. Okay. VS Code not officially defined as a project. Okay, now fine. We can get a name. Okay. So coming to that, workspace. A workspace is a VS Code, a feature used to open and manage one or more projects together. Yes or no? A workspace is a VS Code feature. Workspace is a VS Code feature, is one of the feature used to open and manage one or more projects together. The same thing, right? Is a feature in the VS Code which manages and open the one or more projects. Yes or no? Friends, let's see some differences. Okay, now? Is a project is a VS Code feature? Huh? Workspace is VS Code feature? Huh? Tell me. Which is the VS Code feature? Is the workspace a project? Huh?
Workspace.
Workspace is a, yes, VS Code feature, not a project. Okay, next question. So yeah, and what is the extension for saving that workspace?
Code workspace.
Code workspace.
Dot code hyphen workspace is the extension while saving the workspace. Yes or no? And whereas projects are the code bases. These are the code bases. We store the code bases. In the project, we store what? Code bases. Where workspace, we store the projects, and the extension of the workspace is what? Dot code hyphen workspace is the extension. Okay, now? Is everyone getting, friends?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now we have seen that how to create a workspaces and how we can have the folder or projects in the workspaces, how we can create a files. In these files, what we do, we generally write a code like this here, friends. So in general, in JavaScript, to print any statements, we use console.log. In Java, how we write system.out.println to print any statements. Similar like in JavaScript or TypeScript, if you want to print any statements, we use a console.log is a command. There we used to give like a hello, welcome to Qubit AI Labs. Welcome to Qubit AI Labs. So friends, in Java, in JavaScripting, TypeScripting, end of that statement, this exclamatory mark is not mandate. In generally in a Java language, we used to terminate with a semicolon, right? In JavaScripting or TypeScripting, it's not mandate to terminate with semicolon. You may give or you may not give that. Okay, now I would like to run this. I would like to run this file. I would like to run this file. So friends, I don't need to save this file because I have given as an auto save. Suppose if I uncheck this auto save, if I do some changes, what happens? I can observe some dot symbol is coming in this file. Yes or no? Observe here. Dot symbol is coming. Yes or no? But if I give some auto save, automatically saves. Suppose now I am writing something like this. So I did some changes. Did we see any dot symbol here? No, because I made auto save, automatically saves that whatever I write here. Okay. Now next is what I would like to execute this statement in the file 2.ts under this project one. Yes. How would I execute? How would I execute? How would I execute? So do you have any run command here? Let's see that run without debugging. Run without debugging. So start debugging, run without debugging. Without debugging is with the normal run. Start debugging means with the debugging, it is going to be executed. So control F5. Let's see that. So Node.js. So this is any JavaScript files and TypeScript files. If you would like to execute using Node.js is going to be executed. Let's click the Node.js. Yeah. Hello. Welcome to Qubit AI Labs. Is coming or not? Okay. Yes. Now, if we want to execute through terminal, the same thing earlier we have run through these options, right? Go to this run without debugging like this. We have run. It has run through options. Now, I would like to run the same command, this command in a through editor through terminal. I want to execute through command line. I want to execute CLI command. I want to execute that. So for that, I must open the command prompt. I must open the command prompt. How can I open? Go to this one. There is a terminal is there. Just click on new terminal. New terminal. So here, yeah. Now terminal got opened. Yes or no? Terminal got open. Another way how we can open terminal means here down we can see some triangle symbol with exclamatory mark is there. Just you click on this. That's it. Terminal got opened. Yes or no? Just click on terminal option. That's it. Same came, right? I'll show you once again. Go to this horizontal terminal, new terminal. which project files you would like to execute. That is asking project 1 files are, project 2 files are, project 3 files are. It is asking to switch to this project, then only that files are going to be executed. Okay, I'm saying that project 2 something, project 1. Okay, project 1 we have, right? So yeah, now it came here. Here we can run. So how we can run node and give like a file2 like this. I'm giving file2 enter. Friends, we're getting some error. Why I'm getting error? Just observe, friends. I'm dragging up. We're getting some error. When I'm running that, node is a command. To run your JavaScript files or TypeScript files, we have to use node. See, even the option also, when we're running, it is asking to node selected, then only it has run that files, right? Now, same way command prompt, I'm giving node and giving the file name as file2. What it is saying that? Cannot find the module. It is cannot find the file2 because what is the extension of the file2, friends? What is the extension of file2?
TS.
TS, right? That we have to provide. Yes. So file2.ts. Now run this. Is coming or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
So friends, if you want to run the TypeScript files, we must do the extension .ts, end of the file. If you'd like to execute the Java files, not required to give .js. Let me show you that. So in file1, we have this, right? Let me write some statement in a file1.js, console.log, and here I'm giving hello, welcome to Playwright automation. Yes. Now I would like to run this, friends. So these two files are there in the project 1. Yes or no? See, that's what, see, it was switched to the already project 1, right? Now I would like to give that node file1.
File.
I'm not giving any extension .js, just run it. Is working or not? What you understood? If you'd like to execute TypeScript files, must and should we must give that extension .ts after the file name. If you'd like to execute that JavaScript files, not required extension, directly we can give the file name. See, file2, I'm giving that. Is it taking a getting an error? Getting an error. Yes or no? What it says that module not found. So while running these TypeScript files, what is required? Extension. Yes or no? Extension is what. So friends, you know that previous commands, if you want to come here, means just click on up arrow in this editor. You can see that. Sorry. File2.ts. Yeah. Now see, coming right. If you want to clear this editor, just clear, you can give the command. It's everything is cleared. Okay, now friends, now you are switch. Okay, now okay, I'll do one thing. I am coming back to this project 1 cd ... It comes out. Yes or no? What is this? Yeah. Now your current directory where you are pwd, you are under the d playwright wd. Now I am trying to execute node file1.js. Will it executes? Not found. Because why? Why it is not executing, friends?
File is not found.
You are not in that directory.
Yeah, you're not in the parent directory. See
Yes.
here, cannot find that. Under the D drive, Playwright WD file1.js is not there. Under Playwright WD project 1 folder, the file1 is there. Getting or not?
Yes.
Yes. What we have to do, we have to switch to that project 1. So CD project 1. Now if we do pwd, it shows the current working directory, right? Okay. Now if I give ls means we can see all the list of files is showing file1, file2. ls nothing but list the files. These two files are there, right? One is ts, one is a js. If you want to run this, what the command we use? Come on. Node file1. Shall I give file2 just itself? What the file2 extension, js or ts?
TS.
For TS, for TS files, what is required? Extension is required, right? If you don't get
Required,
extension, it's
yes.
not run. Yes or no? For JS files,
Not
not
required.
required. If we give or not give, doesn't matter. Now let's run the same through these options. Okay, how do you run this? This one, run run with without the debugging. Yes or no? Run without the debugging. It is asking using Node.js we have to execute. Yes or no? Even command also to run the files. What we given command? Node given the file name. Yes or no? Yes. Here it's at the Node.js. What happened? Yeah, file to yeah. Let me run this. I click run without debugging. Hey, what happened?
Close it and can you open again?
Okay, let me do that. Close all. Yeah, let me open. Yeah, run without debugging. Hey, what is this? Let me open. Otherwise, this one run without stop debugging. Yeah, run without debugging. Hey, what happened? New terminal. Here it is running. Let's check here in the terminal. Node file one dot js, right? Yeah. Oh, sorry.
No need for yeah.
Not required. Yeah.
Not required.
Not required. For file 2 is required. This is a TS, right? It's required. Here is running. Why it is not running there? Something happened. Start. Run without debugging. Hey, what happened?
We have to see always the terminal.
Yeah, we can run through terminal. Yeah, always terminal only. We can run here also, but earlier it has run, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, fine. Anyhow, it's working. See here. So everyone understood, right? Creating the workspaces, creating the folder projects, and creating the files, JavaScript and TypeScript, running through
Yes.
command line. So JavaScript files not require extensions. To run the TypeScript files, extension is must. Friends, you can see that in this, if you go to this workspace in the project one, we can see that 2 files are there. Yes or no? This is JavaScript file. This is a TypeScript file. So if you can see that extensions, view in detail. So here we can see that JavaScript and TypeScript. Coming right? Extensions.
Mhm.
So if you want to remove this, what happens? Right click, remove folder from workspace.
Workspace.
And still it will be there here, right? Only it is detaching from the workspace. That's it. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If we want that, yes, we can add it. How we can add them? File. Add folders to
Folder
workspace.
to
Yes or no?
workspace.
Add folders to workspace. Which folder? Project 1. See, project 1 has come, right? Friends, tell me honest, everyone understood or not? Any doubt, let me know.
Yeah, understood.
I'm good.
Everyone, please. If you have any doubt, let me know. Remaining people, any doubt? Remaining people, any doubt? All right. Yeah. Tomorrow, I'll be showing you. Today we have seen that how to install that VS Code, how to install that Node.js, and how to create a workspaces, how to create a project or folders, how to create a files, how to execute that through command line and this through options. Yes. and how to open the existing workspaces, all these things we have seen that. Also, we have seen how to add the extensions also, we have seen that. We have installed so far JavaScript and Playwright, right? So today we have seen that just basic JavaScript and TypeScript programs. I shown you how to write and execute that. Yes. And tomorrow I'll show you, we haven't write any Playwright code right now. So tomorrow I'll be showing you how to write Playwright code, how to execute that also. I'll show you that. And now, as of now, I shown you how to install Playwright through what? Extension, right? Through extensions only, we added the Playwright. Tomorrow, I'll show you how to create a Playwright projects, how to execute all those things in show that. And tomorrow, I'll be showing you how to install Playwright through command line also. I'll show that second way. Okay. And there, how to execute the Playwright scripts through options, and as well in the command line also we can. Friends, running the Playwright scripts, that code we use the extension npx. Okay, na npx is the command. Here to run your JavaScript, TypeScript commands, we use Node, right? In this case, but if you want to run your Playwright scripts, we use npx command. So npx2 commands are there. npm is to install that all the things, Playwright things, and npx is to execute your Playwright scripts. So what is the npm? What is npx? The difference also will be discussed in a tomorrow session. Okay, na? Is everyone clear? Any questions you have in today's class? Let me know, please.
So do you want us to install these things today?
Yes. Yes. If you want to install, you can install. I will help you in front of me. If you want to install, you can install. Right? If you face any issue, I'll be supporting. Please do it now. I'll be in online. Friends, if you want any support, I'll be in online. Please do it. If you have any issues, I'm going to support you now. Come on.
Yeah, I'll install
Yeah, please.
later. Yeah,
later will install. Okay, fine.
Yeah, I'll install later. Okay.
Yeah.
If you can share this video, yeah, it will be good.
Yes.
So that we can.
So everyone got that recording right in YouTube? I posted.
Yes, I got the recording. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and second day video, third day video, today I'm going to be post that, and this also I'll be posting today only. Okay, na? These two I'll be posting that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, friends, done for today. Please share this meeting link to your friends to join for my class. Okay. Till Friday will be the free classes. From Monday onwards, so next Monday onwards, you have to enroll for to join for the classes. Okay, fine.
Sure,
So okay, friends, that's it for today. So we'll meet tomorrow, same timing, with the continuation of this. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you very much.